Andy, let's see what's going on. Oh, looks like it's good. Do we want to try this out? I think we should. I mean, there's no harm trying this. This one looks good. Let's just go with it. Let's put 20. Let's put 20. Let's see. I mean, this one, I know that I'm just testing this out. I know I'm just testing this out. Oh my God, what's going on? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's just try and pick it. Let's buy. Let's put $20 there. Can we pick up everything? Let's see what we can go, whether we can pick it. Can we pick it? Is it? Oh, I think it bought. I think it bought. Let's go and set a sell limit. And that's Andy. I love the name. It's my brother's name. So I just love it. So I'm just taking it. I mean, this one, trust me, guys, I took it based on emotion, but it's fine. It's fine. Let me just quickly snap it. Yeah, this one I know is going to work. It's a new coin. Let's make this 3/8. 3/8. Don't mind me. I took this one on emotion. I know, I know, I know. Now let's make this 3/9. What about that? No. Or 4. Can we make this 4? Okay, I think I'm cool with this. 2% is fine. Let's work with 2%. Let's see whether it will get to 0.14. Okay, 0.14. Am I right? Let me check. Yes, I think it's 0.14. Let's see where it is currently right now. Is it going to go up in any way? Is it going to go up? It actually got to 0.14. It got to 0.145. So why not? Let's see how this goes. We'll check it out. It looks like it's going down right now, but we hope it will definitely get there. It's not really a very big market cap. It's like 133,000, but that's $133,000. Not bad for a new coin. So Andy, we are currently in Andy USDT on MEXC. This is the one that, really touches my heart, and I'm so excited that this trade has executed. Remember I told you I took this trade? Yes, because it's my brother's name. Andy. And it has executed. Yes, look at it. We made sure that it was very, very, conservative. We've got $20.39. It was actually $20.41 or so, but it's fine. So we made that should be 1.9 something percent, right? 1.9 something percent. I'll go check it out right now. We'll go check. As you can see, that's what we have over $20. That is 39 cents. So I'm just going to go see what exactly that is. Okay. So that's going to be $20, right? Times 1.9. Is it 1.95? Yeah, 1.95%. That's what we made on Andy. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love that trade. And the trade did as well. Eventually it took a little bit of time though, but it got executed. That's the most important thing. It got executed. It took like about a day or two or something like that, but it got executed. Let's go see what's happening inside of the trade. Inside of the charts, you can see it's going up, people. It's going up. Wow. That's really interesting. Yeah, I might decide to take more. I'm not sure. But as we speak right now, it is going up. Okay, so Andy performed. We're glad. So let's go ahead and transfer our out. Of course, I mean, what else do you expect? I've got to transfer my profit out of here. Let's go ahead and transfer it. So I'm just going to I'm going to change this futures to fiat. And we'll put in the max, and then we'll send out our 39 cents out of the way, going back to its place where it should be. Yes. No, I think we're good with this. Let's go ahead. So can you see that? We've got our $20 back in there. So we're going to come back and start checking for trades one after the other. Okay. So right now, all I just did was just tell you about the trades that executed. And we had 5 trades out of the 6 that executed. I'm telling you.